Hello and welcome to our first lecture in KubeSphere course by TechLattice.net. We'll start with basic introduction about KubeSphere. Like, what is KubeSphere? So, uh, like, uh, if we're talking about KubeSphere, so it is an open source distributed operating system for managing cloud native application built on the top of Kubernetes. It offers a powerful and user-friendly platform that integrates several popular open source tools and technologies to provide a full stack one-stop solution for DevOps application lifecycle management, monitoring, logging, and security. So if you're talking about KubeSphere, okay, so here you can see that I've already opened KubeSphere here. Like you can see that you can do cluster management, you can do access control, you can do platform settings with the KubeSphere. We'll also deep dive into these types, basically about the cluster management, access control, and platforms settings after one or two lectures. Okay, so like first let's see exactly what is uh, KubeSphere. Okay, so like unlike Kubernetes, which primarily focuses on container or orchestration, KubeSphere aims to simplify and extended Kubernetes capabilities, making it more accessible and manageable, especially for organizations looking to scale their cloud native journey without getting bogged down in complexity. Why you choose KubeSphere? Okay, so this is one of the most important question: why you choose KubeSphere? Like why you choose KubeSphere for Kubernetes, basically cluster and access control platform settings. Okay, if you're talking about the choosing the KubeSphere is right or not. Okay, so KubeSphere have user-friendly interface. As you can see here that KubeSphere have user-friendly interface. Here you can see a lot of things. Like we'll also cover uh, user interface of KubeSphere in deep in next lecture. Okay, so I will give you the basic idea like why you choose KubeSphere. So basically, the user-friendly interface, then comprehensive DevOps support. Okay, so KubeSphere include integrating tools for CI/CD, image registers, DevOps pipeline, and more, allowing teams to streamline their workflows and enhance collaboration across the development lifecycle. Then multi-cloud and multi-tenancy. KubeSphere is designed to work seamlessly across multiple cloud providers, enabling organizations to manage their workloads on hybrid and multi-cloud environment. It also supports multi-tenancy, allowing different teams or projects to securely share the same Kubernetes infrastructure. Then built-in observability with features like logging, monitoring, tracing, and alerting. KubeSphere provides full-stack observability out of the box. Then if I talk about security and compliance, so KubeSphere offers comprehensive security features like including role-based access control. If you know about like in our previous courses, we have also covered a lot of things like about the Kubernetes role-based access control. Okay, so if you know role-based access control, so like it is a type of basically you say you can give roles uh, in the like organizations or anything. Okay, so network policies and image vulnerabilities scanning to help ensure your application are secure and compliant. So what are the key components of KubeSphere? So unified multi-cluster management, application store, DevOps toolchain, service mesh, monitoring and logging. So basically we're talking about monitoring and logging. This is one of the most famous term. Okay, like monitoring and logging. So the platform integrates basically KubeSphere integrates with tools like Prometheus and Grafana, low-key Fluent, Bit to provide in comprehensive monitoring and logging solutions. Okay, if I talk about service mesh, so KubeSphere includes Istio-based service mesh capabilities that provides fine-grained traffic management, security, and observability for microservices, enhancing communication between services. Then we are talking about DevOps tool chain. So if you're talking about DevOps, so there is one of the most important term is CI/CD, basically continuous integration and continuous deployment workflow. So the integrated DevOps toolchain allows for streamlined CI/CD workflow with Jenkins, GitHub, GitLab, and other tools, making it easier to automate build, test, and deployment process. Okay, application store. So KubeSphere provides an app like store-like experience for deploying common cloud-native applications. It supports Helm charts and other packaging formats, making it easy to deploy application with a few clicks. Then unified multi-cluster management. So KubeSphere enables unified management of multiple Kubernetes cluster across different environment, like allowing administrators to deploy and manage application in centralized manner. Okay, so this is like the basic introduction of the KubeSphere. Like today, like I will tell you about the KubeSphere, like what are the key rules and what are the key points about the KubeSphere. It is open source platform. It have a user-friendly interface. Anyone can like if any beginner is coming here, so like he can learn about KubeSphere and he also get idea like what exactly is KubeSphere and what work KubeSphere do, why organizations use KubeSphere, why we use KubeSphere. Okay, so I think that's all about this lecture. Like I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and like our video, show some love and support. So thanks for watching us. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.